If there is one book a doctor should carry during their internship, it's this one. It's Oxford Handbook of Clinical Medicine. So during internship, when we are on rounds, we don't have someone behind us who is going to explain us every detail. The key is to observe and learn how to apply the knowledge which you already have. And this book is just a filter of all the knowledge which we gain through the years, maybe the stuff which we usually keep forgetting. So this one will help us to have a quick glance at whatever topic we are intending to review when we are on rounds. So it has an index where every system in our body is mentioned in this book. We have cardiovascular, chest medicine, endocrinology, gastroenterology, renal, hematology, infectious disease, oncology, palliative care, rheumatology, surgery, clinical chemistry, some syndromes, radiology, emergencies, reference intervals, and practicing some practical procedures. And don't expect obs and gyna in this. I like this phrase from this book. It was said by William Osler. It's like, he who studies medicine without books sails an uncharted sea, but he who studies medicine without patients does not go to the sea at all. That means practicing with patients is the key. We are going to learn how to apply our knowledge only when we are working with patients. This book has details like how you are going to take history of the patient and how are you going to examine the patient. And once you take history, you can analyze the signs, symptoms of the patient and advise what kind of tests he would need to undergo and how you make a differential diagnosis and narrow down to the actual diagnosis based on the reports, signs or symptoms, and how do you offer treatment to these patients and what kind of drugs you can use in them and what dosages are used in them. The most common ones are actually mentioned in this book. Like here, every disease will have definitions, and then you have symptoms, what are the complications of the disease, then you have tests and the treatment you're going to offer, and what kind of drugs. So if you need just one book, just go for this. For your rounds, just carry this with you, and you don't need anyone to guide you most of the times. You can just look up for the information in this book in case you are lost and you don't know what you're dealing with.